The Indus Valley Civilization, a name that echoes with mystery and intrigue, drawing historians, archaeologists, and curious minds from around the world. This ancient civilization, one of the world's earliest urban cultures, flourished along the fertile plains of the Indus River, in what is now modern-day India and Pakistan. Imagine a civilization, lost to time, buried beneath the earth, waiting to be rediscovered. The Indus Valley Civilization, also known as the Harappan Civilization, was a marvel of its time, with its advanced urban planning, impressive architecture, and complex social structure. Picture the bustling streets of Mohenjo-Daro and Harappa, two of the most prominent cities of this civilization. These cities were meticulously planned, with a grid-like layout, sophisticated drainage systems, and impressive public baths. The people of the Indus Valley were skilled artisans, creating exquisite pottery, intricate jewelry, and finely crafted tools. This civilization thrived thousands of years ago in the land we now call India and Pakistan. It was a time of prosperity and innovation, with a thriving economy based on agriculture, trade, and craftsmanship. The Indus River, with its life-giving waters, was the lifeblood of this civilization, providing sustenance and enabling trade with distant lands. It was a world of sophisticated cities, bustling trade, and innovative people. The markets of the Indus Valley were filled with goods from far and wide, including precious stones, metals, and textiles. The people of this civilization were not only skilled traders, but also adept at creating a harmonious society with a strong emphasis on community and cooperation. The Indus civilization, a Bronze Age marvel, continues to fascinate us. The artifacts unearthed from the ruins tell a story of a people who were ahead of their time, with a deep understanding of metallurgy, engineering, and art. The bronze tools and weapons they crafted were not only functional, but also beautifully designed, reflecting their advanced technological prowess. It's a civilization that whispers its secrets through the sands of time. Despite the many discoveries, much about the Indus Valley civilization remains shrouded in mystery. The script they used, known as the Indus script, has yet to be deciphered, leaving us with tantalizing glimpses into their world, but no clear understanding of their language or literature. As we continue to unearth the secrets of this ancient civilization, we are reminded of the enduring legacy of the Indus Valley and the profound impact it had on the course of human history. Our story begins around 7,000 years ago. In the fertile plains of the Indus River, farming communities began to flourish. This region, blessed by the Indus River and its tributaries, provided the perfect setting. Over centuries, these communities grew into villages, and the villages into towns. By 2600 BC, a new civilization had emerged, the Indus Valley Civilization. The Indus people were masters of urban planning. Their cities, like Harappa and Mohenjo-Daro, were marvels of their time. Imagine walking down streets laid out in a grid pattern, lined with houses built of standardized bricks. These cities had complex drainage systems, public baths, and even granaries, the advanced urban planning points to a highly organized society. The Indus River was their lifeline. It provided water for their crops, which included wheat, barley, peas, and cotton. They were also skilled traders, their ships sailing to distant lands like Mesopotamia. Evidence suggests they traded cotton, pottery, and jewelry in exchange for silver, copper, and other goods. This trade brought prosperity and connected them to the wider world. Section 5. Echoes and Artifacts. Whispers of Life in the Indus Valley. We learn about the Indus people through the objects they left behind. Pottery, toys, tools, and jewelry tell us about their daily life. They were skilled craftspeople, their pottery adorned with beautiful designs. We also find seals with intricate carvings, possibly used for trade and administration. These artifacts offer glimpses into their beliefs, customs, and social structure. Section 6. The Twilight of a Civilization, a Mystery Cast in Time. By 1900 BC, the mighty Indus civilization began to decline. This civilization, known for its advanced urban planning, impressive architecture, and sophisticated drainage systems, had thrived for centuries. Its cities, such as Harappa and Mohenjo-Daro, were marvels of the ancient world, bustling with trade, culture, and innovation. But as the centuries passed, signs of trouble began to emerge. The exact reasons for the decline remain a mystery, but scholars believe a combination of factors played a role. Theories abound, each offering a glimpse into the possible challenges faced by this once great civilization. Some suggest that internal strife and political instability may have weakened the societal structure, making it vulnerable to external threats. Others point to economic factors, such as the depletion of resources or shifts in trade routes, which could have disrupted the economic stability of the region. Climate change might have led to changes in rainfall, impacting agriculture. The once fertile lands may have become arid and unproductive, leading to food shortages and famine. The drying up of the Sarasvati River, a crucial water source for the Indus people, could have had devastating effects on their agricultural practices and daily life. As the environment became harsher, sustaining large urban populations would have become increasingly difficult. There's also evidence of floods and possible earthquakes. Natural disasters could have struck the heart of the civilization, causing widespread destruction and displacing communities. The geological instability of the region suggests that earthquakes may have been a recurring threat, toppling buildings and disrupting the lives of the inhabitants. Floods, too, could have wreaked havoc, inundating cities and washing away vital infrastructure. Over time, the cities were abandoned, and the civilization faded into obscurity. The once thriving urban centers became ghost towns, their streets empty and their buildings crumbling. Nature began to reclaim the land, with vegetation overgrowing the ruins and wildlife returning to the deserted areas. The people of the Indus civilization dispersed, migrating to other regions or integrating with neighboring cultures. The legacy of this great civilization was buried under layers of history, waiting to be rediscovered by future generations. Today, archaeologists and historians continue to piece together the story of the Indus civilization, uncovering artifacts and clues that shed light on its rise and fall. Each discovery brings us closer to understanding the mysteries of this ancient world, reminding us of the fragility and resilience of human societies. Section 7. Whispers of the Past, Legacy and Influence. Though lost for centuries, the Indus civilization left an indelible mark. Their urban planning, trade networks, and cultural practices influenced later cultures in the Indian subcontinent. Their legacy lived on in the traditions and innovations they passed down through generations. The Indus civilization reminds us that even great civilizations can rise and fall, leaving behind echoes of their existence. Section 8. Unearthing the Past, the Continuing Dig. Today, archaeologists continue to excavate and study the remains of this great civilization. Each discovery brings us closer to understanding their way of life, their beliefs, and the mysteries surrounding their disappearance. The Indus Valley Civilization is a reminder of the vastness of history and the countless stories waiting to be unearthed. Section 9. Conclusion: The Enduring Allure of the Indus. The Indus Valley Civilization, a testament to human ingenuity, continues to intrigue us. This ancient civilization, which flourished around 2500 BCE in what is now Pakistan and northwest India, was remarkable for its advanced urban planning, architecture, and social organization. The cities of Harappa and Mohenjo-Daro, with their grid-like streets, sophisticated drainage systems, and impressive public baths, stand as a testament to the ingenuity and foresight of the Indus people. It reminds us of the power of innovation, the importance of adaptation, and the resilience of human societies. The tools and technologies unearthed from these sites reveal a people who were not only skilled artisans, but also adept at adapting to their environment. From intricate beadwork to standardized weights and measures, the artifacts of the Indus Valley Civilization speak volumes about their way of life and their ability to thrive in a challenging landscape. And the enduring allure of the past. The weathered walls and ancient inscriptions found at these sites offer a glimpse into a world long gone, yet still very much alive in our collective imagination. These remnants of a bygone era continue to captivate historians, archaeologists, and enthusiasts alike, drawing them into a quest to uncover the mysteries of this enigmatic civilization. As we continue to piece together the puzzle of their existence, we are reminded of the complexity and interconnectedness of human history. Each artifact, each fragment of pottery, and each ancient seal adds a new piece to the intricate mosaic of the past. The work of archaeologists, painstakingly excavating and analyzing these finds, helps us to build a more complete picture of the Indus Valley Civilization and its place in the broader tapestry of human development. We gain a deeper appreciation for the civilizations that came before us and the interconnectedness of human history. The artifacts displayed in museums around the world serve as a bridge between the past and the present, allowing us to connect with the people who lived thousands of years ago. By studying their achievements and understanding their challenges, we can gain valuable insights into our own society and the ways in which we can learn from the past to build a better future, and the interconnectedness of human history. The story of the Indus Valley Civilization is not just a tale of a single society, but a chapter in the larger narrative of human progress. It reminds us that we are all part of a continuous journey, one that spans millennia and connects us to our ancestors in ways we are only beginning to understand. As we look to the future, the enduring allure of the Indus serves as a powerful reminder of the importance of preserving our heritage and learning from the lessons of the past.